What's up everyone, it's James from Jeeping Adventure, and today we're going to talk about the 6 things that I do not like about my JK. So, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing is my C's, or any C's for that matter on a JK. They're a very weak point in the axle and they're known to bend, and that's very unfortunate. Unlike the JLs, who have a beefier C and really probably won't have that issue ever. So the next thing that I'm really not a fan of is the top. It is super awkward to try to carry it, and me personally, I can't even do it as one person. You know, trying to hold on to it. Of course I have the diabolical kind of in the way as well. Trying to hold on to it and reach, it's really not possible for me. So for me, I definitely think the JL has it better again. Alright, so the next thing is going to be the stock hinges here. Obviously I've already upgraded for a reason. These hinges are not designed to hold a lot of weight, so they cannot hold a 35 or something like that. It starts to bend and then your whole tailgate will sag down. So fortunately I've upgraded and I don't have that issue anymore, and I hope you do too. So the next thing is going to be your evap canister. The stock one, unfortunately, is not a very thick metal, so when you're out on the trails and you hit something, it's just going to get mangled up. It actually happened to me, and that's why I have this. While I was out on the trails, I ended up not only bending the skid, but I bent and broke the evap underneath. So that was kind of a costly repair, and of course had to upgrade at that point as well. Alright, so the next thing is going to be the stock headlights. As you can tell, and if you're watching this channel, I've upgraded these headlights. Why? Because the stock ones you cannot see anything. It's probably by far the worst thing that came with this Jeep. Because when you're driving at night and you can't see, that is really dangerous. But now that I've upgraded, I don't have that issue. Alright, so the last thing is going to be the battery terminals. I can't stand the way that they are set up. I miss the old style that had a bolt with a nut on the other side to kind of pinch that in. It was a way better system. I do need to change these out because I still have that stock setup and I have had some issues with it in the past. Alright, so that's the 6 things, that I cannot stand about the JK, and that's not just the stock, that's all the way up to the Rubicon. It's all the same stuff. But like always, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, think about subscribing. Check out my other videos, and like always, keep the adventure going.